Hey everyone, how's it going? It's a Tuesday night, and this is my first video using this GoPro. Thanks for hanging in. Thanks for getting through these first 50 videos that are gonna suck, because I am not a video guy. But I'm doing this video because I want to share more of my studio with you, share more of the things that I find cool and exciting, because what's the fun of doing this if you can't share it with everyone? Whether it sucks or not is a matter of opinion. What I'd like to talk to you about today is one of the coolest pieces of gear that I've recently acquired, and it's called the Maletomp. And it's made by this wonderful mad scientist, engineer, brilliant designer in Brazil named Lisciel. And the Maletomp is a single or dual channel Verimue compressor using two, 6 SN7 tubes. I had to look that one up. So 2 tubes, point to point. It's a geometric masterpiece on the inside as far as point to point go. It makes an LA2A look like spaghetti on the inside. Unbelievable craftsmanship. And this thing retails for $800 US, which is a steal for a single channel. The dual channel Maletomp is $1,400 US, which if you're thinking about a something Verimue, this is an absolute steal, and I guarantee you will get more color, more mojo, and the same transparency that a Verimue is known for in this device. I have used it on vocals, on kick drum, on snare drum, on bass, on acoustic guitar, on bottom snare, and believe it or not, most recently, my favorite place to use it is hi-hat. I just want one for every single drum on the kit. Now, it can be very, very transparent. It can also explode anything you put through it. Very simple controls. It has amount of compression, its gain, fast attack, slow attack, fast release, slow release, and that's it. You can hit it with 3 to 4 dB of compression, 5 dB, with a slow attack, slow release, you won't even know it's there, even 10 dB. It does the gates stay level thing perfectly. I have a Drip Electronics stay level next to me, and I hate to say it, I just got it repaired, and I'm not using it because the Maletomp takes its place. I have an LA3 over there, which I do use, but the Maletomp takes its place. A lot of other pieces of gear that this thing can do what they do, and then better. All of a sudden, you put the slow attack in, fast release, turn the compression up all the way, turn the gain up all the way, and you've transformed whatever you've putting through it into a totally different animal and instrument. It brings out information, especially in digital audio, that you didn't even know was there or that you captured with your microphone. It takes a snare drum and makes a great sounding snare drum sound absolutely freaking unbelievable. I don't know why I keep looking left and right. I just keep looking at my gear. It does peak limiting, it does smooth overall compression. It's wonderfully made. It has a very cool VU meter that glows orange and a big red light. And it's amazing. Works off 120 volts US, which is awesome. So if you are interested in this piece of gear, I'd say it's the best value piece of gear that you can buy, period, especially if you're looking for a compressor. You can go to liscielcadeomeu.com, liscielcadeomeu.com. There you can view all his products, his EQs, his drive modules, his channel strip from his... I don't even have words to describe his tube console that he made himself. That's got to say something. Not many people make a console themselves, let alone a tube console. So the channel strip is available for purchase, stereo or mono Maletomp, and then hopefully soon a very, very cool piece called the Chudyk comp, which is a dual linked or unlinked Maletomp, but with the ability to put the left channel in series with the right, making it mono, a 2-stage compressor, which is how I treat all my vocals. LA3 into a very moo. What's better than a very moo into a very moo? All right. liscielcadeomeu.com. Hit him up on Instagram at Lisciel, Lisciel. He is the most wonderful human being, wonderful to talk to, excited about everything he does, excited about what you're doing. Everybody that I've referred him to has been blown away by his personality, and then when they actually receive the Maletomp, blown away by this as well. He makes all these with love. So this is me saying thank you for making such an amazing, amazing, amazing piece of gear that is putting a lot of the gear I have out of work. So thank you so much for checking out this video. Feel free to comment. I don't know where I'm posting this yet, but feel free to comment, to send me a DM. I respond to everything, normally within 24 hours. So yeah, please feel free to hit me up. I am also going to, eventually when I set up a second rig to take the signal out of Pro Tools and record it, I will share some high quality samples with you and link it below or something like that. That's what you do. You do the link below thing. And it shows up right there. Yeah, that's it. So link, not below. Those are louder than liftoff. Mr. Focus is below. Yeah, I like my gear. It just inspires creativity. It gets me excited. It puts me in a good mood. Find a piece that inspires you. If this doesn't work for you, don't get it. But I have a feeling you will love it. So, peace.